Internet, welcome to 2018. Today I'll be showing you my Garnet inspired design, and this is not what I started out with, as you can see very soon. I tried out a different design, looked on my head, but on my face it was just let's get started. First we're going to prep the lips. I'm using this cream concealer thing. You can use an actual primer, you can use foundation, glue, anything to make the pigment stick to your face. Please don't use glue. So Garnet has a few different colors, but it's mostly a dark red, wine red, plum red, crimson red, I don't know, it's a dark red. I'm gonna be using from my Wet n Wild palette. Oh, my modeling. Pat, 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 show, show, show. This color right here, this kind of red. Determine for yourself what kind of color this is. It's the closest that I have in my possession to the color, and I'm just going to blend it on with my spongy stick. I'm blotting it on as opposed to dragging because I don't want to smear the pigment. I want as much of it on my lid as possible for nice and saturatedness. I'm also okay with it not being in every single square inch because you want that smokiness, because that is what Garnet Stone is when it's really raw. It has a smokiness to it. It has different lighter reds and darker reds, some black undertones, and some white little streaky strokes marbled in there.
Modeling silver eyeshadow.
I'm squiggling on some silveriness, using that to open the inner corner of my eye, and whoopsie! Before I move on to the crease, I'm going to line my eyes with a super duper tiny liner. I wonder how short this is. Still using it. I'm going just to the middle on my lower lid to give it a cat eye. And lining around just the eyes for maximum mysterious smokiness. Hydration. Oh, hydration for my eyeball. What just happened? It's like my eyeball was attacked. Are you betraying me? So help me if you are. Ow. For 1 minute, you may continuously blink your eyes to recuperate from spreading your eyeballs apart and exposing them to maximum oxygen. Oh, that was weird. If you want to make the skin around your eyeball super smoky, what you can do is take a Q-tip or an angled brush and just smudge along those lines. My eyes gonna be like Jack Sparrow's. Now I'm going to take my matte black eyeshadow.
Doop, 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 doop. I'm an official beauty blogger now. Doop, 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 doop.
And I'm applying that just into the crease. Without adding any extra powder, I'm dabbing whatever is left on my brush to the brow bone to fit it in, adding to the smoky goodness. And we're going to do the same thing with the silver as we've done the lower lid. We're just going to add it into the smoochy splashy splashes. Come on, silver, I need you to highlight the eyebrow. Get on there.
Yelling helps.
And then I'm going to coat the tiny hairs around my eyeballs with some black goop. Wiggle, 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 wiggle it, jiggle it, and wiggle it. My eyes look like they have been in a major fight with 5 bears. Oh boy. But you know what? It's supposed to look messy and smoky because that is what a garnet is. It's just a mash of colors. Let's slather on some cubic gem-like lips. I'm going to start with a dangerously ruby red lipstick.
Can I do just a little bit of liner? Yeah, I don't have big enough lips. This probably doesn't help me.
Oh, I'm scared of overdoing it because I know people who like make their lips look like 2 sizes bigger and it looks natural. I'm just like, I look like this. Maybe if I add highlights to my lips? I'm drawing on an invisible mustache. This is the weirdest sensation ever.
I just need to draw on my highlight in the mustache and then I'm good to go.
I feel like I've been kidnapped by a bunch of 5-year-olds and are doing my makeup. Oh, this is weird. Nope, but I can't take it off because then I'd have a big popsicle smear all over, so these are my lips now.
Squiggle
On a bunch of diamond shapes for the garnet crystals, which we will soon color in. As I'm drawing these on, they remind me of the security lasers that spies have to sneak around to get to the crown jewels. Do 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 or the strings you connect newspaper clippings and photos together with to solve crime. If we just put this here, and move this scandalous article over here, by George, we've cracked the case. No! Time to color in the abstract coloring book on my face. I'm using various shades of red to create the different facets. Oops, I forgot to model. Here it is. Okay. Then poke your lips until you're satisfied. No yawning when there's makeup. So this is what it looked like if I went based on my sketch. It'd be so cool if I could have done it, but it just looks no. We're gonna do some work on this, okay, honey? You need some work. Oh, you need work. Next time on the breathing canvas. There's the green red. I might want to use as an more. I tell you more.